Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This week are the last days of 2025 and the first days of 2026. A time to reflect on the past, get some rest, and be ready to jump into the new year with both feet. This week's featured course, Implementing Your Profit Maximization Strategy. Many businesses earn far less profit than they could, simply because owners are unsure how to maximize the results. This course helps you to identify opportunities to improve profitability and put a clear strategy into action. Janice Wanderku, founder of Rembro NYC, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about her and her business. I invite you to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Jimmy Newson about building your Evergreen business blueprint. Last week, I spoke with Dr. Jeffrey McGee about how transformational theory, how to win in tomorrow's market space. Check out the live stream video below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Dayn Kirksey on ChatGPT for small business. Sell more, market smarter, and communicate better. Additional events this week. It's the last call for submitting your application for ETV's Village Ventures Pitch Competition. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events.